meantime, let's shift focus and get you this bone-chilling murder that has now been reported in Karnataka's Bengaluru. What has now been said that the rowdy sheeter was hacked to death. A 46-year-old was hacked to death. As the chilling details of the murder that has now emerged on camera, what has now been said that someone with the criminal antecedents, a rowdy sheeter who was killed with a machete that the attackers used as a weapon to kill the man. And however, what is being said that these unidentified assailants then later fled the scene from a car, and what has now been said that this rowdy sheeter who's now been killed approximately had 11 cases booked against him, and the police are now probing the possible murder motive as far as when it comes to senior officials who have been also visiting the crime scene. Let's get in a word from Neha now. Neha, we are getting the information of an individual who had criminal antecedents, rowdy sheeter who was hacked to death in Bengaluru. What could be the possible motive and what are the leads that the police is working on?
Well, yes, Amita, we're picking up at this point in time that, this was, of course, quite a notorious known rowdy sheeter in that area. What, of course, we're being told, while he's been identified as Shiva Prakash there, the accused in concern are possibly people that were known to him. This is what the police is looking at right now. Among those accused right now, the fifth accused, A5, happens to be BJP MLA and former Minister Bharati Basaraj as well, who has been accused, while the police is probing his role currently for abetment to this crime in this case. The motive is yet to be ascertained. Quite a gory manner in which, of course, you have people coming in a car, they're getting out of the car, attacking him with a machete, murdering him on the streets of Bengaluru.
I think the information, Neha, you're giving us